This A255 CRS robotic controller, and that's the robot. And we open the back of this just to show you where the backup battery is. And the backup battery is there, purple, very visible, but unfortunately it's not plugged in, so you can't plug it in and plug it out like these plugs. You have to actually solder it. So the best way to do that, instead of taking the board out and desolder it from the back and then soldering the new battery in, my recommendation is that you take this out. You cut the tie wrap off and snip with snippers either side of this, the legs, the pins of the battery. Just snip them out from this top, so you have a little bit of pin coming out of the board, the PCB. So when you put a new one in, and then you can just solder from the top instead of from the back of the board, which will make it a lot easier.